This is MTV Cribs.
And too loud.
Hey MTV, welcome to my crib!
Woo!
I get personally pushed around by my butler. Walking is too much exercise. Okay, over here we have the kitchen cabinet. Wait a minute. They're a bit empty at the moment because, my daughter's kind of fat, so she likes to eat everything. So going back. Okay, and now I'm going. Yes, exactly. Now I'm going to the living room, which is a pile of chairs. Let me observe. Sometimes it's like sit back and watch MTV Cribs. Or you can sit like this. Okay, now we're going to go to the cinema room, which is over there. This is the cinema room. This is the screen. Why are you doing so? Face it the other way. Turn me around. Yeah, so as you can see, we don't have any chairs in here at the moment, but people just kind of stand and watch. Okay, now we're going to see my daughter on her bed. What's that noise? I told you not to talk.
What does that door have a bell?
Marilda! This is Marilda. Say hello. Hi. Would you like to show them around your bedroom? We believe in discipline, so she doesn't have much. Just a radiator and a chair for the essential.
Cannot change yourself.
We call it, hard love. Okay, now we're going to my room, which is over there. This is the biggest room in the house. It's over there. Just ignore that. Try. Shit. Now, my bedroom's over there. So she's new. So this is my bedroom. Where are you going? This is my mirror. Turn me around. This is the mirror that I like to gaze into. As you can see, it's a bit run down because I just use it so. Oh, the lighting's back. And over there. It's our plug socket that we use for phone charging and stuff. This is on at the moment. This is where Kevin lives. He's Marilda's brother, but we keep him in here for safety reasons. Right. Hey, I think that's everything.
Let's show the garden.
Oh, we get the garden. The garden. We have the biggest garden in all of the land.
She's gonna fall down the stairs.
Tight squeeze. This is the garden and the pool. Right, okay.
Barbie.
MTV, it's time for you to get out.
Go!